Hello. So while we make some winter cards, let's sing some winter songs. So this song is in the tune of The Farmer in the Dell. The bear gives a wave as he runs off to his cave. Oh, we know when it snows the bear is in his cave. The birds are flying down to a warmer town. Oh, we know when it snows the birds are flying down. The bunny grows a coat, her special winter coat. Oh, we know when it snows the bunny wears her coat. The penguin's on the ice, yes, he thinks it's really nice. Oh, we know when it snows the penguin's on the ice. So tell me, which animals come out during the winter and which ones hibernate?